You are laughing, right? Watching me tumbling like that? Are you? Oh, no. Go ahead. But hey, do you know what just happened? Well, this is nothing but an earthquake, a small one indeed. Come, join with me to know more about earthquake. Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Learn with Chiku. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel now. The surface of the earth is like a jigsaw puzzle. Yes, it is not a single piece of land, but approximately 20 pieces of a puzzle that constantly move. But you don't feel it because they move quite slowly. Each of those puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. So whenever those plates hit, bump or slide past another plate, an earthquake is caused. The surface where these plates slip is called the fault or the fault plane. So, when do you think it happens? Well, it happens all the time. But hey, don't be scared because most of the times we don't feel the earthquake as they are too small to reach us. But sometimes they are so strong that they can be felt over 1,000 miles away. The place where the earthquake originates is called the hypocenter, and the place where it occurs on the Earth's surface is called the epicenter. There are 3 types of earthquake. Number 1, convergent boundary. Here, one plate is forced over another during an earthquake, which causes a thrust fault. Many hills and mountains have been formed due to the convergent boundary. Number 2, divergent boundary. Here, plates are drifted apart from each other, forming a rift zone. This kind gives birth to new ocean floors. Number 3, transform fault. Here, the plates slip by each other, and this is also called strike slip. So, earthquakes are nothing but the shaking, rolling, or a sudden shock of the earth's surface. The instrument used by scientists to measure the intensity of earthquake is known as a seismograph. A tsunami is caused when earthquake occur underwater. Whoa! Yikes! I need to rush before I tumble again. Tune in next time for more interesting videos. Hope you liked today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and families. Thank you.